What's the meaning of briny? Briny. Briny.
Briny. Briny. The term briny refers to something that is related to or tastes like salt water. Specifically, it can be used to describe the taste or smell of ocean water or sea spray. It may also refer to foods that have a salty, ocean-like flavor, such as certain varieties of seafood. Outside of the culinary realm, briny can be used more broadly to describe anything that has a salty or oceanic quality, such as the air near a beach or the scent of seaweed. Overall, briny is a word that evokes the sensory experience of being near the ocean or other bodies of salt water.